If you need to resize an icon in Figma, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it in just a few seconds. Whether you're designing an app, building a website, or just adjusting a small UI element, knowing how to scale an icon properly can save you a lot of time and keep your design looking clean and consistent. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Figma tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your Figma file and find the icon you want to resize. Click directly on the icon to select it. Once it's selected, you'll see 4 corner points appear around it. These points are the resize handles, and they let you change the size of the icon visually and quickly. If you want the icon bigger, click and drag one of the corner points outward. If you want it smaller, drag the corner point inward. As you move the handle, you'll see the icon in scale in real time, so you can stop exactly when it reaches the size you want. A helpful tip here is to keep an eye on the proportions of your icon while resizing. If you want to maintain the original shape, drag from a corner rather than from the sides. That helps prevent the icon from looking stretched or distorted. In most cases, corner resizing is the cleanest way to scale icons in Figma, especially when you're working with interface elements that need to stay sharp and balanced. You can also zoom in if you want more control while resizing. That makes it easier to match the icon to nearby text, buttons, or other design components. For UI design, even small size adjustments can make a big difference in how polished your layout feels. So take a moment to compare the icon against surrounding elements before finishing the resize. Once you're happy with the size, just click away to deselect it, and your updated icon will stay in place. That's all there is to it. Select the icon, use the corner handles, and drag to enlarge or minimize it inside Figma. It's one of the fastest ways to make precise design changes without needing extra tools or complicated steps. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the other Figma tutorials on the screen for more quick design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.